Welcome to Study Loop.
All right, in your question, you're given a table here for statistics students. Ask where they were born and whether they're male or female. So looking at the probabilities we want to find here, the first one, probability of female, I can see that there is a total of 114 females in this group out of 221 total students. Now, it says, write your answer as a fraction that is reduced. All right, so simplest terms. So I need to simplify that fraction. I'm going to assume you're going to use a calculator for that. So let me go ahead and do that. Simplified is its current form. So 114 out of 221 is the simplified fraction. All right, probability of being out of state would be 43 out of 221. So there's 43 out-of-state people out of the 221 total. I'm just going to check that for simplifying. And that is simplified. Okay, the next one we want to figure out the probability of female and from a foreign country. So we can find the overlap here. I'll put that in a box. There's 12 females that are from a foreign country. So that's 12 out of 221. And that is simplified currently. Now the next one the next two we start to get a little bit more involved here. We need to pay attention to a few more details. This one is probability of male or in state. So if I look at the males, there are 62 males. Sorry, I want to back that up. That are in state. There are 107 total males that I want to include, or in state, which is a total of 147. But I need to subtract that 62 I originally circled that do both, because that 62 was counted twice. It was counted in both of these numbers, so we have to subtract it once. And then that's going to be out of 221. So 107 plus 147 minus 62 is 192 over 221. I'm just checking to see if that simplifies. And it does not, so it stays 192 out of 221. Now the final question is, what is the probability that the person selected as female given that they were out of state? So that means we are guaranteed in the out-of-state column only for our probability. So I just want to look at the 17 females out of the 43 total out-of-state students. And that doesn't simplify. All right, so I'm going to highlight your final answers here in blue. Probability for A, B, C, D, and E. I hope that was helpful, and have a nice day.